What's good, everybody? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another money making video. As always, please do at this time hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share it everywhere globally on all platforms. Guys, this lead is going to be for an online tax accounting tutor at a company called Upswing. It is fully international, and it's a freelance gig. This was posted 6 hours ago, so you know it is smoking hot. Okay. Again, you're a tutor, but you'll be teaching tax accounting. Now, Upswing is an online student success service that provides students of our partner colleges 24/7 access to a marketplace of tutors, mentors, and advisors. We are dedicated in our mission to provide students the resources we believe they need to help them attain the degree of certificate they deserve. We are looking for professional tax accounting tutors, subject matter experts in the field of tax accounting, graduates with a degree in tax accounting, or professionals with a background in tax accounting to help college level students in their intro to advanced level tax accounting courses. Upswing's coaching philosophy stresses the importance of tutoring to help foster learning independence. To be successful in this role, you should be familiar with tutoring methodology and be in love with the aspect of working with students who are developing critical thinking skills. Online sessions take place via Upswing's virtual classroom. Coaches have the ability to set their own hours. Work via Upswing is based on your availability and demand from students. So, if you've heard of iTutor, and I've featured them before, and a lot of other tutoring services, they have their own online portal that they can have face-to-face sessions with one-on-one students or one-to-many students. You won't be using Skype or anything like that. You'll be using their proprietary software, their online system to help these students learn tax accounting. Now, you will be a good fit if you are a subject matter expert or advanced knowledge during attainment of your undergraduate degree, graduate degree, or professional. I think they meant postgraduate degree. Okay. No, actually they meant during getting your undergrad degree, while you have your undergrad degree, and then your graduate degree or professional experience in tax accounting. Okay. So if you're in any of those categories, then you will be a good fit. If you have received excellent grades in undergrad or graduate school, if you enjoy teaching others and helping people through problems, if you have a background in teaching methodology, instruction, or tutoring highly preferred, are detail-oriented with strong organizational skills, have top-notch verbal and written communication skills, feel like a subject matter expert, and want to pass on the knowledge. Now, perks of this job: you create your own schedule and work as often as you would like. Tutor from anywhere in the world through our platform. And you can join a community of amazing coaches looking to make a difference. Now, this is a remote position that will require tutors to work at any location with reliable access to a computer and internet. Compensation is commensurate with experience and education. So if you have a wealth of work experience with respect to tax accounting, you're a good fit. So apply by clicking this link. It will take you to this lovely page. Okay, Upswing Careers, Coach Your Tutor Team, Online Tax Accounting Tutor. Alright, and it outlines the whole job description. You click apply again. It takes you to the resume application page. If you want to apply with your resume, you click here, upload your file from your wherever. Fill this out. Attach a cover letter. So you'll need a resume, cover letter, and fill out this application form. Now, if you have a website or anything of the sort, you can attach it here. So your LinkedIn profile is one. as it says here, or Facebook profile. You can attach that here. If you want to add another field, as in if you have more than one network links or network sites, you can add several. Fill out your education. Okay, this is your most recent, so colleges, university and stuff. You can add more as you go on. So community college, business school, whatever the case may be, before going to business school or anything like that. And you could just fill everything out all the way down. Make sure you press I'm a robot. Make sure you press I'm not a robot, and then click submit application, and you're good to go. Right? If you want to see the company's website to get a feel of what they're about, there are many things that can be said that aren't said verbally or in writing. So here's their website. You can scroll through just to see, you know, what they're about. Online students, adult learners, first year students, Durham Tech, which is a partner school, Winston-Salem State, Houston Community College, and so on and so forth. And guess what? You could even see if they have any jobs at Upswing. Hey, attack this thing on all fronts. Every single front, attack it on all fronts. You're here to make money online. You don't care how it looks. Attack it on all. You're a ninja. Okay? Your mission is to make money online. If this is a way to make money online, figure out if they have a career at Upswing. Alright? So, that's it from me, the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for your time. And thank you especially for subscribing, hitting the notification bell, liking the video, comment on it, and sharing it with everyone you know. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.